What's up, you guys? Oh my goodness, we made it. We are at the end of this series. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to 10 things I wish I knew before I started my travel show. I hope that you got some use out of it. I personally love talking about business and lessons and mistakes and journeys and all of that, especially when I feel like I'm still in the trenches, so I can only share what I've learned so far. But I hope it's been useful to you guys. Please let me know in the comment section if you enjoy stuff like this, if you want to see more of this, and I will keep it coming. But let's finish it off strong with number 10. So the biggest thing that I wish I knew before I started this business, have fun. Have fun. Just relax and have fun. And let me tell you, it is fun, and I've had a lot of fun. But the business is hard. That is the other thing I would tell myself, is get ready, because it's hard. But I think so many times I get wrapped up in trying to learn the next thing, trying to grow, trying to get bigger, trying to make money, trying to collaborate. I mean, there's so much in this world of entrepreneurship, of social media, and we're all learning and growing. And there's so many times that I wish I could just go shake myself and say, look where you're at. Look what you're doing. And remember how much I love this in the moment and just really take it in. So I think no matter what business you're in, always go back to number one, your why. Why did you start this? Why do you love this? Why do you want to keep doing this? And that will help you stay present and remind you of all of the goodness in your business. Now, for me, traveling and filming is also a challenge and a blast in itself. So another big thing that goes into that joy is remembering to be present. Taking those moments to relax, put my camera down, and enjoy the view. Sometimes turn off the phone and off the social media and just be fully present in the moment of traveling. And especially looking back on my first press trips and first fam trips and first group trips and first film, all of these things, so many times I would get worked up because I was off schedule or I couldn't get a shot or somebody walked in my way, and taking a moment to go, that's part of it. That's part of it. It's just wild and crazy, and that's what makes it amazing. Number one lesson, whenever you're on this journey, especially if you're traveling, but starting a business in general, remember your why. Remember why you loved this and why you want to keep doing it, and let that joy really sink in. Taking time for yourself to relax when it gets overwhelming, taking a step back, not comparing with other people, just truly appreciating the journey you're on and seeing all of the mistakes as lessons. And trust me, from somebody that's made a lot of mistakes, as I've told you about in this series, there are also a lot of lessons. And I truly believe that those things will propel me forward. So enjoy the journey, find those moments to be present, and keep going. That is it. That's my 10 things that I wish I knew before I started this business. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this journey. Obviously, my journey is gonna continue. So please let me know if you have any questions, comments, things that you wanna see down the road. But in the meantime, I'm so grateful for all of you and for sticking around through this craziness. So good luck with your businesses. Please let me know how they're going and I can cheer you on as well. So leave me a comment, subscribe, like, and I will see you on my next adventure.